Hello guys, welcome back. I have an unboxing today. I have the new Your Creative Studio box from May of 23, and I wanted to show it to you right away. So just opening it. It comes with, it's wrapped in this plasticky stuff, like the plastic bag, and then you have this really nice sturdy box. So your product comes in pristine condition. Links down below where to get your hands on it, of course. But guys, I always like to see what's in these things, and it's so hard to wait till I can unbox it with you because these are such clever products. Okay, from Your Creative Studio. And they always have this tissue that I'm always like, do not just throw the tissue away because, how nice is that? Oh my gosh, look at the flamingo. He's so cute. Because you can totally fussy cut out these pieces for like art journaling and stuff. So I try to be a little careful with it. Okay, let's get out this nice pile of stuff. Guys, I don't even remember what she told me was the product line. So I'm gonna go from top or bottom down, top down. I don't know, you guys know what I mean. Guys, it's gorgeous. Look at this flamingo. Okay, I'm sorry. There are 24 sheets. There are 6 with sticker paper, 6 with vellum paper, 6 with art, and 6 are pattern paper. And they print the same pattern. They do repeats. Is that a nice way to put it? So oh my gosh, this print, you guys, this print is goals. And let me get my light just a little bit closer. It's slightly, I don't know, it's like low-key gloomy outside. All right, so we've got this gorgeous flamingo. Oh, look at the chameleon. He is cute. So we've got this great chameleon guy and these beautiful florals. Guys, the color story is just beautiful. Oh, we've got these really nice leafy bits. Kind of look like Monstera leaves, but I'm really bad at that kind of thing. Then this is just a gorgeous, like variegated pattern. I always say it looks like wallpaper to me. It does. It's very nice. Ooh, look at the toucan. Guys, this pop of color is so perfect. We've got this gorgeous floral. And then finally, this is this beautiful variegated pattern, but you're still getting some of the wallpaper vibe, which is rather fab. I'm gonna have to go like that because we have lots of pieces. It's rather fab for, your art journals and all of those kind of things. And then we have our vellum in those same prints, right? And guys, it's just, look at that. You know how vellum has my heart. And I'd have to say, so far, this is my very favorite kit they've come out with. And we've got the sticker paper, and we've got, what did I say? The sticker, the vellum, then the art paper, and then finally the patterned paper, which of course is, oh my gosh, guys, the texture. I'm feeling this paper in the back. You guys, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's got this beautiful texture, and I'm a texture girl. I can say it. So repeating patterns of the patterns I showed you, and they are amazing and beautiful, and I love them. Okay, so that's the ephemera. What's next? Ooh, so they call this masking tape, but is this the kind that they were calling masking tape that I was calling tissue paper? Be careful because it's kind of delicate. So I'm going to try to turn that inside out. So yep, this is what I call tissue paper. But, we all can differ on these things. I'm still rebelling over the ephemera / die cuts thing. So we've got these gorgeous florals. They look like tulips, but I don't know if that's what they're supposed to be. And it's a bit, now you guys, when you separate it, it's very translucent. It has that like almost like vellum thing, but it's tissue. So you can totally layer it and have so much fun. But when it's all stacked up, it's got kind of a mauve-y shade. So we have that. Ooh, what's this? What is this? I don't know what this is. All right, y'all, going in with the glasses to see if I can read anything. Nope, 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 sure can't. Nope, don't speak that language at all. Let's take a look. It's an envelope of sorts. And we've got like an acetate front. Let's see. Come. Oh, okay. Okay. So there are tons and tons and tons. They're like bookmark shape. There are tons of gorgeous pieces. Guys, look at that saturation on those stamps. So y'all, these are already cut. You could do the fastest, like scrapbook page or art journal page, whatevs. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, very favorite kit that they have done. Yep. Look at these pieces of artwork, guys. So those are super fun. Oh, now we have stamps. Oh, no, I lied. It's washi. It is washi, but that's really washi. So let's see what kind of washi. Oh, nice. It's like this pattern. It's like this really subtle mauve-y. I'm going to go. Nope, that's not going to help you. Hold on. Hold the phone, people. Let me put it on top of a piece of white. See? It's the same kind of a print that you see here. I mean, there's leafy bits and a different floral, but that same vibe. How pretty. So we have that. Then, what's this? Oh, a cling stamp. Oh my gosh, I think it's a toucan. Come on. Cute, guys. Look it. We have a pineapple and a toucan. I know we're getting a big glare there, but y'all can see what I mean. Like, look at how stinking cute. Guys, this kit. Okay, we've got a big pile of ephemera, die cut, etc. Oh my gosh, I hope they keep doing things in these colors. Guys, even the packaging. Guys, oh, I'm a happy girl. Okay, this is totally, yeah, you can see I use used pieces of paper next to my desk all the time. We have got these gorgeous chameleons. I've got florals. I've got monstera leaves. Other pretty leafy bits. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. That is stunning. Oh, look at this one. The deeper tones. Got a toucan. We've got ourselves the cutest little flamingos. I can't wait to use this kit. Floral, our leafy bits. We have got a couple of gorgeous florals. Really picking up like this. It's a pink, but it's got like this beautiful little touch of rosy coral in it. Another set of pretty flamingos. Are they the same size? Nope, a little smaller. More florals. Florals. We have got these gorgeous leafy bits. Oh, guys, look at that. It's stunning. Just stunning. Stunning. Love the artwork. Bravo to making this girl rather happy. So we've got this little scene here, and it looks like a pineapple with leafy bits. And another one. Oh my gosh. So beautifully done with this watercolor vibe. And then what are these? Oh, they're like florals that are kind of doing a little droopy. And then leafy bits. And then beautiful florals. Oh, we've got a whole scene here. Guys, is that supposed to look like a heart? Because if not, it just does with a toucan. Monstera leaves. We have got pineapples. We have little chameleons. I don't know why they make me very happy. They're just very silly looking. I know they find themselves to be serious. Never mind. And toucans. So that's those die cuts. Ooh, we've got a little goodie package. It looks like oh, that's beautiful. Artwork, and I have a little dirt under my nails. I'm sorry about that. That's just gross. Sorry. Real life is happening over here. Okay, so this looks like a little matchbox. And I like fun packaging. It's one of the things, like, you feel like you're opening all of these little presents with your creative studio. Song of Monsoon. Oh, okay. So we've got a package in a package, in a package, in a package. Oh, coming out. Come on. Okay. Number something. I'm going to put these back in their little, like, guys, come on, look at the little box. Back in their cute little box. So number something. So there's all of these beautifully little shaped bits. We've got florals, April, APR. We have got, ooh, a gorgeous bird. Number something again. Thursday. Look at the old-fashioned like little advertisement. Ooh, look at these beautiful, like you have this cute little pudgy bird and roses. We've got a four-sided something something with writing. And then with birds. Oh, a nice little journaling block. We have got a nice little journaling block again. Ooh, and a very close boyfriend. When the something meet, they would either call or send. There's like a little story. Ooh, look at, she's being mysterious. Then we've got cute little journaling blocks that are a little bit smaller. Guys, they're getting itty bitty. Like these are those things that are great because you can tuck them in. And it just kind of will fill out your cluster when you're like, great, I have a weird gap. You can pop them right in. Cute little strawberries. Journaling block here, you see a couple little people. Oh, it looks, I don't know, like they're playing a game or something. Cute. Little advertisements and like overlays. And then this cute pinup girl. She looks like my grandmama. Okay, so we have that. Then, ooh, 40 pieces. They're so little, guys. That's what's in there. I'm going to get this little white tray thing I have so that they don't get lost. Happy Burning Fire sticker. Thin paper. Okay. Guys, they're itty bitty. Oh my gosh. If you like mini, guys, look at that artwork. There's a couple still in there. It's like a bride and groom flamingo. Okay, so it's thin paper, but the back side is on this like sticker stuff. Guys, and they've got this like nice little like pearly sheen vibe to them. So there's all of these little bits. There's flamingos and florals and the cutest little envelope. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at all of the flamingos. I needed flamingos for something recently with this group of scrapbookers that I'm involved with. And we're all searching for flamingos and they're all in this kit. Guys, they're so cute. Makes me want to do like a layout, like let's flamingo. So cute. Guys, look at them. They are adorable. Adorable, 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 cute, beautiful little bits. I'm looking at them in the light. I want to see if I can get the camera to pick it up. Hold on. Do you see like on the rose how like there's different finishes? It's almost like there's like a little shiny overlay on certain bits. Cute. Okay, we have that. Now, we have plant specimens. It looks like a little booklet. Let's see what we have here. Oh, pretty. Oh, guys, it's like, look at how many pages. You can get your art journal on. So there's all of these different little specimens. So we've got dragonflies and butterflies. Guys, I'm not good with the name of many flowers unless I plant them myself. So all kinds, oh wow, of different beautiful artwork is in y'all. Loving it. Look at the woods. I love birds. Okay, we have our little book. There's still a little bit more, guys. Here's another cling stamp, and it looks like it's a flamingo. Which, once again, like I was saying, I was needing flamingos recently, and here we are. So we've got this large flamingo. Oh, and a monstera leaf. How useful is that for your summer stuff? You can take this right off, and then this is so nice, and you know, it clings to your block. Very nice, very nice. All right, we've got a sheet. Oh, okay. So they're stickers and they look like postage stamps with toucans and there's florals on them. You get a nice amount too. Then, what's this? They look like a bunch of postage stamps. Stamp Collection Diary. Love this pale pink. Guys, I mean, the packaging just gets me. So you just take off your cute little bit of packaging. Come on, come on, come on. Let me put that to the side. Then, guys, look at, so we've got a bunch of these stamps and there's all of these roses. Look at that pink rose. You see, are they, nope, they change. So you've got tons and tons and tons of these gorgeous stamps and it's on this really nice light mauve-y kind of surround on it. And then, oh, but wait, there's one more thing. The last thing, floral illustration, 36 pieces. They're tickets. Y'all, do you know about my weird thing about how much I love tickets? And look at that cute little bit there. I would totally cut that out and use it as a die cut. Guys, tickets on tickets. Look at all of these patterns. Now, if you have a ticket thing like I do, like, look, you can totally bring out this gorgeous purple in this one. You've got blues, you have yellow and green. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, my very favorite kit that they've come out with so far that I've had. And I think it's beautiful. So you go to yourcreativestudio.com, get your hands on these kits. Thank you so much for, look at that artwork, for sending me this beautiful kit. Absolutely love it. And like I said, this is the May 2023 kit from this fab company. All right, guys, I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.